Look, take one.
Yeah. How do you even eat that?
You just suck it. I'll give Cleo because he might swallow that.
Mmm.
Yo, you wanna lick it a little bit?
No.
It's good.
No.
Hmm? You want the
It's very sour sweet. It's really good. How you call it?
Santol. I don't know.
And that's a cotton ball. It's a cotton ball. Hi guys, I'm just about to go to the beach, and since I'm going to the beach I will also bring this with me, and I will make a sandbag later on. So for this I will need a black trash bag where I will put my sand in, and of course I will help myself with this, and then I will just bring it, the sand, inside here, and I'm just gonna go for a walk as well. I'm not gonna go with a car. The beach is basically, with a car it's 2 minutes driving away, but walking is probably 10 minutes. So I'll just make a little short trip, okay? And then I will make a sandbag. So I will see how many kilos I can bring today, but maybe I'll have to go again. But the aim is to have at least 15 to 20 kilo sandbag. Yeah, all right, let's go. I think I might regret not taking the car with a sandbag and everything going uphill later on. Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see. It's a good training, and I love challenges. So at home I will check how many kilos I will put in the bag. I have no idea actually. But today is such a beautiful day, so it would be such a shame not to go for a walk. And I just really love walks. Lately I just adore walks. It's so nice to be outside. Here I can still be without a mask, because it's just like a street where I live, but down by the road we have to wear masks because it's already a public place, and I have to wear mask there. So, but on the beach obviously not, because I'm alone there. I guess. Ridiculous. All right, so now I'm off on the main road, and oh my god, who would thought that we actually live in this kind of world now? I mean, I still think I'm dreaming or something. Like, I look like a gangster. And by the way, I need new glasses, new sunglasses. These ones are like I have to find dry sand, so I'll just check. Maybe there is the dry, but it doesn't really look so dry, so it doesn't get moldy. That's the issue. Okay. Filled up my sandbag. I think I put 6 buckets inside, or 7. I'm not sure, but for sure at home I will test it out how many kilos I managed. And now I'm gonna go over there and have a nice swim. Can't wait. It's so nice, and it's so nice to be sandy. I love it. Amazing. The beach is super amazing. I don't know if you can hear me, but the waves are actually really loud as always, but it's really awesome. Yeah, so I think I'm low on battery, so alright, see you at home if the battery dies. Ciao. And now it's been, I think, 2 days after I went to the beach to get a sand. I also got another bag of the sand, so altogether I have now 16 kilos and a half. And for the sandbag, you're gonna need 1 or 2 very big trash bags, like I have here. Okay, I will just change from this one to this. And tape, you can also use duct tape, but I don't have it, so I guess this should be alright. Let's hope. And I have this bag. This will be my sandbag. It's from this beach chair. It's like a cover bag, and it will be just perfect, I think, because you're gonna put it like here, and it has already a handle, so it's perfect. We'll test it out later. So let's go now into filling this bag with this sand here. Okay, let's do this. And just one quick fun fact. Here are sands from 2 different beaches, and you can actually see that we have so many different types of sand also in Seychelles. It's very interesting. final result. I could have filled it a little bit more here, maybe I will redo, but so far you got an idea how it is. You can also basically put another duct tape here, and then you have like a 2 handles. Maybe I'll do that. So yeah, so basically you can do the deadlifts, right, with it, and then back rows, or you can just do a squat like that. It's comfortable, or just put it over your shoulders and do one squat like this, and then slam it down, and then put it over your shoulder. So it's basically good because I have like a it's like it falls in the middle, so it's basically very nice. But you can do many other different things. So this is just my first trial, and I'll see if this actually works or not. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and I see you in another vlog. Take care. Ciao.